Welcome back to Quiz Hare. We will be testing your tech brand knowledge with this word quiz. Think fast. Most people fail by round 10. If you can get at least 20 of these right, you are a tech genius, and you probably didn't know it. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Hare channel for more exciting quizzes. Ready? Let's go. Round 1. Name a smartphone brand that starts with the letter S. Samsung, Sony, and Sharp. You thought of something else? Drop it in the comments. Round 2. Name a laptop manufacturer that starts with the letter A. Apple, Acer, and Asus. Round 3. Name a social media platform that starts with the letter I. Instagram, Imgur, and iMessage. Round 4. Name a semiconductor company that starts with the letter N. Nvidia, Nokia, and Nintendo. Round 5. Name a software giant that starts with the letter M. Microsoft, Meta, and Oracle. If you're kicking it, do well to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Round 6. Name a video game console that starts with the letter P. PlayStation, Panasonic, and Pong. Round 7. Name a search engine that starts with the letter G. Google, Giphy, and Gemini. Round 8. Name a streaming service that starts with the letter H. Hulu, HBO, and Hotstar. Round 9. Name an e-commerce site that starts with the letter E. eBay, Etsy, and Everlane. Round 10. Name a cybersecurity firm that starts with the letter C. CrowdStrike, Cisco, and Cloudflare. Round 11. Name a car tech company that starts with the letter T. Tesla, Toyota, and Too Simple. Round 12. Name a music streaming app that starts with the letter S. Spotify, SoundCloud, and Shazam. Round 13. Name a camera brand that starts with the letter C. Canon, Casio, and Contour. Round 14. Name a computer peripheral brand that starts with the letter L. Logitech, Lexar, and Lenovo. Round 15. Name a food delivery app that starts with the letter D. DoorDash, Deliveroo, and DashMart. Round 16. Name a fintech company that starts with the letter P. PayPal, Plaid, and Payoneer. Round 17. Name an AI tool or model that starts with the letter C. Claude, ChatGPT, and Copilot. Round 18. Name a fitness tech brand that starts with the letter F. Fitbit, Fossil, and form. Round 19. Name a ride-sharing app that starts with the letter U. Uber, Uptop, and Uklon. Round 20. Name a television brand that starts with the letter V. Vizio, ViewSonic, and Vestel. Round 21. Name a messaging app that starts with the letter W. WhatsApp, WeChat, and Wicker. Round 22. Name a chipmaker that starts with the letter I. Intel, IBM, and Infineon. Round 23. Name a workspace software that starts with the letter N. Notion, NetSuite, and New Relic. Round 24. Name a creative software company that starts with the letter A. Adobe, Autodesk, and Avid. Round 25. Name a headphone brand that starts with the letter B. Bose, Beats, and Bowers. Round 26. Name a cryptocurrency exchange that starts with the letter K. Kraken, KuCoin, and CryptoMat. Round 27. Name a drone manufacturer that starts with the letter D. DJI, Dragonfly, and Drone Deploy. Round 28. Name a video meeting app that starts with the letter Z. Zoom, Zello, and Zoho. Round 29. Name a gaming peripheral brand that starts with the letter R. Razer, Rockhat, and Redragon. Round 30. Name a cloud storage provider that starts with the letter D. Dropbox, Drive, and DigitalOcean. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and comment on how many points you got right. Check out one of these videos.